Good morning everybody. It's a very brisk autumn morning this morning and we just thought we would do something a little bit different and show you the autumn colours from the sky.
Yeah, it's so beautiful at the moment. Little yellow trees everywhere, big yellow trees everywhere. And the green, the dark green and the yellow just go so well together, so we had to show you guys.
Yeah, we see it every time we're coming up or down the mountain from above, so we thought...
And we always think, we need to show our YouTube family what it looks like, right?
So here we are, enjoy!
Bye! Subscribe! A big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Bye. We hope that you enjoy that beautiful footage of the fall colors, and we just wanted to say, I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last video we said if you make it to the end of the video, comment below that you've made it till the end and we'll shout you in the next video. So
drum roll, one person.
Ben Burns, shout out to you. Thank you for all your support. We really appreciate it, and we appreciate everyone else that commented as well. But maybe you guys just didn't want to get a shout out. Maybe that's why.
Maybe you forgot. Maybe you're just modest.
Maybe you're just so into your comment that you forgot to put that in there. Anyway, thank you, Ben, for commenting that you made it all the way in the last video. We know it was like 20 something minutes long. Anyway, subscribe,
Bye.
like this video. Bye.